Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. Well, here's the Make-A-Wish Foundation hardtop that's still waiting to be painted. It's 35 or 38 degrees outside. It's 52 in my garage. So hell with it. I might as well start in on JP here. Door, obviously. This would be the driver's side, the left side, and I'm going to strip it. And I'm going with the doors first because they're made out of aluminum. I think they're aluminum. And I have on order a bunch of epoxy primer. Once I strip this chemical stripper, I don't want the innards, the bracing, to rust out because I think I neutralized that stuff with water. And you can see one-handed, I'm lifting this thing up. It's not very heavy. On the inside, I've got a lot of work to get done. You can see these are the steel braces. Behind that go felt strips so there's no vibration. I'm going to get as much of that out as I can without a whole Herculean effort, massive effort, because I'm going to spray sound deadening material in there anyway. Yep. So, there she blows. More to come as I start stripping the door. And I wanted to point out, I'll find out more after I strip this, but I want you to see the surface on this. See that? Either this was painted with a lot of rust on the inner part of this door, or whoever prepped it, and I know it wasn't the prior owner, just didn't prep it. Didn't do a good job at all. Just sprayed it. Well, what the fuck, I'll just spray it. So, I got some work ahead of me, that's for sure. If that is indeed rust pockets, I'll have to think about that. I'll just smooth them out or something, I don't know. Yup. And here we go. This is what I'm using. This is pretty much all I can get these days. It's the watered down, as it were, version of the old stuff that we used to be able to get. So this may take longer than anticipated. Maybe. And as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. I've got a pair of overalls on, a apron, and I do not yet have eye protection or face protection on because I'm just painting this stuff on. And let's see how it's doing. Starting to bubble up already. Not bad. Not bad at all. This has taken me an hour. That fucking chemical stripper sucks. This shit sucks. I have spatulaed well, you know, that thing, plus scraped, plus blah, blah, blah. The old stuff with methylene chloride would take this paint up in minutes. Minutes. This shit, no, it's junk. I'm going to continue using this stuff on this door only because, you know, because. And then I think I'm going to use mechanical stripping to take the other paint and the rest of the stuff off of the different panels I've got. This is bullshit. Jesus Christ, this stuff sucks. I have 7 hours into this. That piece of shit stripper is useless. So I've been using. Let's see, where is it? That and this with a mild flapper disc. That one's about toast. So of course dust everywhere. I kind of figured that would happen. Sucks, but you know, dust. That's my new spray gun. And I've gotten some good work on the inside. What you're looking at is spray on, what do you call it? Some rubberized compound. Sound deadening stuff. It's a bitch to take off, and I can't take it off without smearing it everywhere. So I'm likely to leave it inside there and just respray. It's not going to be seen anyway. I mean, Jesus Christ. I hate to do it, be so blatant about that, but I'm maybe taking a second pass at it. There are some areas I couldn't get to, so I'll get a smaller brush. Get to those later. And what looks like discoloration in the on my screen here is just the strokes of the flapper disc. So I took a lot of time to get paint out of these seams. I have a little bit more work to do, but it's evening time and I want to eat something. And let me pause and hit the other side. I don't know if it's my imagination, but this door feels lighter. Maybe I'll weigh the two, one versus the other, see what the difference is. I already know I've got quite a bit of, wow, let me pause, see if I get a straight edge, I'll show you better. There is, let's see, where is it? Right there. Oops, there it is. What is that? A couple of millimeters? And in the other direction, it's quite a bit more. I don't know if you can see it too well, but I've got, at least 2 or 3 millimeters across all of that. So, I've got some body work to do. I'm not too awfully worried about that. I could probably reach back in there. Let me see. That's going to be hard to get to. So anyway, I could pop that out a little bit and, of course, use some body work, some tiger hair. This one's more or less done, right? I have a few things I'm going to clean up on, a couple things of paint that wouldn't come out too easily, so I'll just get those with a little pick or something. And then tonight, I'm going to, maybe I'm not going to, I don't know yet. I was going to say take the other door down and slather it in the in that nail polish. The actually, that might not be an idea. That paint remover, and put a piece of plastic on that. But then again, I may not. Anyway, there it is. So one door down, quite a bit more to go. And that's that. So I'm going to post this video and bid you all a fond good evening.